Hi guys, today we talk about how can you figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app on your here scroll planning app. So all you have to do, so you just go above here, this sign, click on it. So then it's going to show for you list like this here. Then all you have to do now, you just click here on settings. We just click here on settings. Then it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do, so you just click here on timetable and calendar, just click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do, so you just go down, click here on default class start time. So you just click on it here. Then it's going to show for you this like this. And here you select time in this list. And here uh, uh, hour in here minute, and here you click on OK. Then it's going to add with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking.